this 2013 Chrysler 200, and it is the perfect vehicle if you are looking for a spacious sedan that has leather heated seats, remote start, and tons more. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this gray exterior color. You have your Chrysler badge in the middle with your grille going down, and then you have these projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below. This does have a 3.6-liter V6 engine, so it has that fuel efficiency to it. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels. Then looking over at your side mirrors, they are chrome capped and they are powered and heated. Alright, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats, super comfortable, really well cushioned, and are heated, so perfect for those colder months, and also power adjustable. Then looking at your leather wrapped steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, cruise controls on the front with your media controls on the back. And then looking over at your media center, you have that classic Chrysler clock up there, plus your CD insert, LCD display for all of your radio options, and you can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. Then down below that, you have your heated buttons right there, and then climate controls down further with a 12-volt below here. Perfect spot to, put your phone if you're charging it up with that 12 volt. Then you have your two cup holders in the middle, center console, which has two layers. It has this top layer, and then it has a layer underneath that has another 12 volt in it. And then looking up, you have universal garage door openers, and making your way out, you have a Boston sound system for amazing sound quality. Okay, so looking at this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here, plus a cup holder armrest that can fold down, and access to your trunk, so if you keep some blankets or water bottles back there, you can reach back and grab them while you're driving. But overall, super spacious back seat. I have lots of leg room back here. And then making our way around the side, you have that 200 badge right there. And then you have your tail lamps, Chrysler badge again, dual exhaust, and this has remote start on your key fob there, so you can start your vehicle from anywhere. And then looking into your trunk, very spacious, lots of room for all of your groceries, luggage, all of that stuff. So overall, amazing vehicle. You have that fuel efficiency, plus those leather heated seats, sound system, remote start. And if you're going to see this Chrysler 200 or any of our other cars, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre megalot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.